Frau, for the love of God, please stop cleaning. That's all you ever do. Sweep, dust. You don't have any time for me or the children.
But I thought this is what you wanted. You wanted to keep our marriage a secret, and so I cannot show affection toward you. Franz, who I suspect knows something by now, might realize our secret.
Frau, what makes you think that Franz, of all people, would suspect that we've been married for 18 years and have several children together?
Well, he's been wondering why I always get 9 months vacation time, and he gets none.
That's me, you're right.
Frau is always right, sir. That is why, in order to keep our marriage a secret, we must do...
No, Frau, listen. Yes, keeping our marriage a secret is great. I don't know what would happen if the Navy found out I married a lonely maid. I didn't mean that, it's just... Frau, I want to see you more, and your children want to see you more.
If I do not clean, no one else will.
I'm going to hire a governess today who's equipped to do all the cleaning and to take care of the children. And I'm thinking about disclosing our marriage to everyone. Frau, listen. We made a promise to each other 18 years ago. I've remained faithful to you. I've kept my ring on my pinky, of course. And today is our anniversary, so I'm going to give you the best present a man can give his beautiful wife. A nanny!
All right, well, I'll let you get back to your work after I finish dusting. This will have been the worst mistake I could have made.
You will bet here.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
It is all right. I will clean it up.
Oops, you better clean it up too while you're at it.
Frau, what are you doing, honey?
I mean, would you leave the room while I talk to our new guest?
I will be back as soon as I can. Here come the new applicants now.
All right. What is your name?
Maria, Maria, ma, I'm your new governess. Maria, ma, I'm your new governess. I want your children, I want your estate. Because baby, this time it's fate. I want Frau gone, 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 gone. I want Frau gone. Hey, hey, hey! I want your children and I want your estate. Because baby, this time it's fate. Maria, Maria, I am your new governess. Maria, Maria, I am your new governess. Maria, Maria, mama, I'm your new governess.
Great Gatsby. You're hired.
Get out of my house.
I'm your new governess.
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Now you can go play house with the captain.
Oh, I do not know what you are talking about.
Don't be silly, Frau. I can see it in your eyes. Your face is turning all red. Anything you can dust, I can dust better. I can dust anything better than you.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Anything you can sweep, I can sweep better. I can sweep anything better than you.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can. anything you can frow. I can frow better. I can frow anything better than you.
Oh. No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you.
Ask the captain.
Howdy!
Seems like just yesterday I was a frau for you. I used to mop so fight, I used to sweep so well. You whistling for me at night, everything it felt so bright. Unbreakable, like nothing could go wrong. Now I can't breathe, no I can't sleep. I'm very frau-ing Schmidt. Cause your frau is once again, I'm torn into pieces, can't deny it, can't pretend. Just thought you were the one, broken up deep inside. But you won't get to see the tears I cry behind these Frau Schmidt eyes.
Right.
Yes.
Nazi captain.
Hello, Frau. We've been looking for you. I would like to make you and Franz a deal.
Well, what kind of deal?
We would like to offer you both positions in the army upon the Australian invasion.
I accept.
Franz! You cannot just leave the captain like that.
Frau, this war is coming, and it's coming hard. I don't want to die, and I know you do not either. Just come with me.
I cannot do that to the Von Trapps. I am too loyal to them.
Sir, she will not come. Perhaps we can convince her later.
What, mate? Clean it up.
Look at Frau. I will never pass for the perfect wife or the perfect Nazi.
No, I have like a good shot.
I'm not meant to play these parts. Now I see that if I were truly to be myself, I would break Hitler's heart. Who is that Frau I see staring straight back at me? By his mind reflection, someone I don't know. Somehow I cannot find who I am, though I've tried. Then will my reflection show who Frau is inside? Then will my reflection show who Frau is inside?
Oh my God!
Wow, Gretel is sick, but we don't have any more medicine in the house.
But it will take me all day to get into town to pick something up. The Karlsberg Festival is tonight, and I was performing some songs with the captain and the children.
I know, but Gretel and I have gotten so close in the past year, and she really wants me to stay. Unless you have something to say about that. You're just her maid, right?
Yes, you are right. But the children and I have been practicing so hard, I do not want to let them down.
Oh, Frau, I can go and fill your place. Believe me, the captain won't notice his housekeeper is missing. It's not as if you're family.
Yes, I will be back as soon as I can.
Maria, pack your things.
What is it, Gaylord?
Anything I would have to face a decision this soon. Berlin's offered me a commission in their navy.
Well, Gaylord?
Well, I can't just brush this aside. I admit it, the exciting to have a ship under me again. What I mean is, where's Frau?
Oh, she left. She said she had to get out of the country as soon as possible. It was becoming too dangerous for her, and she said she had nothing here to lose.
Oh, right.
What you decide, Gaylord, will be my decision.
I know now. I can't do it.
Of course not.
We're going to have to leave Austria as soon as possible.
You see, they went on to perform at the Salzburg Festival that night. I was in town picking up medicine for a cold my little Gretel did not have. And here beyond present time, they left me. He left me.
Now that we have given you enough time to gather your thoughts, where is the captain?
I will tell you nothing.
God, you shot me!
Will not threaten my friend anymore!
I should have known. You used to speak so highly of her.
Frau, he will be back from Nazi soon. We need to get out of here.
Thank you, Franz.
Frau, I'm sorry. I joined the Nazis to make sure you and the captain were safe. I knew about your relationship. I wanted to do something for you. You were always so nice to me.
I understand, but look at this mess!
Young Frau Schmidt, the subject of Maria's cruelty. Captain treats you so badly, he feels you're just a maid. Inside Frau, there's longing to do more than just clean. Slow sweeping, she's so close now. This Frau is half my age. Don't Frau so close to me. Don't Frau so close to me. The Nazis are so jealous, you know how Germans get. Sometimes it's not so easy to be the captain's pet. Temptation, frustration, so bad it makes me cry. Slow sweeping, she's cleaning, my arms are warm and dry. Don't frown so close to me. Don't frown
So close to me.
I have a minute, 5 seconds.